Welcome to the next episode of IT Works, Making It Simple. What we want to do today is just talk about a company, what services we do, give you a general idea of IT Works and who we are, and then we're going to start going into different IT tips and tricks. So what services do we offer? The basic services: network support, bandwidth, email, backup services, the Kela server, which we'll talk about more in a later slide, PC and server, repairs, hardware and software, CCTV cameras, and working smarter with mobile solutions. Network support. Two core areas. One is on-site support, that is a tech physically on-site in a network, checking servers, making sure updates are going through, helping desktop users, basically being the on-site technical advisor to an organization. Remote support works hand in hand with the on-site support. A lot of the smaller issues can be handled remotely. In order to do that, we use some software that allows us to log onto a machine anywhere in the world and support them remotely. Bandwidth is obviously a key enabler in any IT solution. The three sort of core areas we work with: ADSL, fiber, and VPN solutions. Each of those have various flavors and solutions within them. We'll be able to sit down, look at the scenario, see exactly what the network requires, and from there be able to draw a solution on the different products that we can offer. Email has become key in any organization now. Reliability, availability are key to making sure that your company and solution keeps running. Hosted exchange, a local mail server, spam, anti-spam, and backup of mail, all key areas that need to be considered and which we can draw solutions on and spec a solution just for you. Backup of data is an area of the business which it can be a grudge purchase, almost like an insurance, but backup is key. If it's one thing we could impart knowledge-wise to any client, is look at your backup solution. Two ways of doing it. One is on-site backup. The second method is our remote backup service. We like to sit down, look at what needs to be backed up, and then make a decision from there as to which kind of solution we need to look at. But backup is key. Data has a value, and it's important to put a value to that data and realize if you lose that data, it can seriously impact your business. We have an in-house product that we do called a Kela server. Kela is a Zulu word meaning protect and defend. It's a gateway device that's fully managed and maintained by IT Works. It incorporates a number of products all in one, namely a firewall, proxy server, mail server, file server. It also has intrusion prevention. It's a key element in order to separate the public network from the private network, and is a fully managed and maintained solution. We also do general repairs, supply hardware and software. We've got a range of suppliers that we can draw on, from a basic mouse through to top-end servers. Whatever your requirement is, we'll sit down, we'll spec it, we'll go through it with you within budgetary constraints and come up with a solution. CCTV, again, it's another device just added to a network. We can install the TV, set it up, come and do an evaluation at a business and or home for camera positions, and then draw up a solution for you. Remote access, so you can view it from any remote device like an iPad, iPhone, or from your PC. Fantastic way to keep an eye on a home and or business. Work smarter, not harder. Working remotely, using your mobile device, using cloud services, all of these things, IT Works can help you develop a solution to ensure that you don't get left behind, but rather get on board. And it's about using technology to make your business work smarter and not harder. Don't let IT become a headache. Don't let it keep you awake between 2 and 3 in the morning. IT Works will be able to help you with all those solutions. Just some technology fun. Here we've got a slide of the evolution of cell phones, going right the way from your early Motorola's with the pull-up aerials, showing you the progression through time to what we have now. If you just consider that's over a period of about 20 years, it'll be interesting to see how that's going to move forwards in the next 20 years. The same with the Apple products. You can see the evolution from 1984, the early Macintosh, all the way through to the newer ones. It's just amazing how technology has developed and changed, designs have changed as products and materials have changed. Then finally we've got interesting way of looking at technology as well. 1993, the group of products. If you wanted to listen to music, you had your old Sony Walkman. If you wanted a camera, you had your Polaroid. If you wanted instant photos, your phone, watch, pager, your laptop, your camera, and your PDA. If we shoot forwards a few years, today that all sits in a single device. Amazing to think how we've developed from there to there. So that's just a few things of IT Works, what we can do, what we're about. As we said at the beginning, the episodes are going to be focusing on making IT simple. So subscribe, add comments on subjects and or topics you'd like us to discuss, and we'll be happy to do that. Keeping it simple. Technology doesn't need to be complicated.